In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a customer inside of SetMore. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up SetMore like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu over here and click customers. Then from here, you should be looking something like this, where you can see your entire list of customers. But if you have never added one, it should be looking something like this. Then from here, you need to click add customer. And here you need to add in the full name of the customer. Then from here you can add a phone number where you can select the country code prefix if you want to do that to your specific language. You can add in an email, you can add a company name if you want to do that. Down here you can also add an address for the specific customer. And you can upload an image over here. Then from here you can also go down to add, and here you can add the phone number, email, website, Instagram handle, Facebook handle, Twitter handle, YouTube handle or LinkedIn handle if you want to do that. Then from here, when you're done, you simply need to click save. And as you can see here, now you have created a customer and all the information will be right here. You can also set notes if you want to do that and save them, and add in appointments right here and updates. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!